Hi everybody, it's science time. Have you noticed outside how many more birds there are right now? And they're making all kinds of noise. The birds are making nests now. It's springtime and they love to make their nests now. It's the best time for them. So I brought a couple of bird nests that fell down and I saved them so you could see what a bird's nest is like. Two different kinds of bird's nests. And then I have a wonderful thing that you can do to help the birds make their nests. So here is a double bird's nest. Do you see it? And they're expert at weaving in and out, in and out. There are twigs, there are grasses. They even somehow got mud up there to glue it all together. Isn't that just so amazing? Let's look at the bottom of it. You'll see even more mud down there, and there are some leaves too. Whoa. Yeah. And here's another nest. And this one fell down and, oh, there were still some eggs in it, and most of them broke. One didn't break. There, so it's interesting to see how the eggs fit in the nest. And this one is a very soft, squishy nest with lots of moss in it. And little pieces of grass. It's very different from the other one, but same idea. It's woven together so it holds its shape and protects those little eggs as they grow into birds. Now, a lot of birds like to weave whatever they can find into their nests. So I saw in a nature book something that you could do to help them. Do you see this bag of onions? It's a mesh bag with lots of holes. Mesh means it's a cloth with big holes. So you take the onions out. They're not interested in those onions. There they go. They're out. And that leaves the mesh bag. And what you do is you cut pieces of string and you stick them into the holes. I might use a stick to help me. It's not so easy just to do it with fingers. There, you see? It's hanging outside of the bag now. I thought I would try different kinds of string. And different colors to see if color makes a difference. We're scientists after all, right? So we want to do a little bit of an experiment here and see, do they like soft? Do they like rough? Do they like bright colors? Do they like dull colors? What are they interested in? Does it make a difference at all? Here's something with dull colors. Let's see how they're going to like that. Whatever you've got at home that you could use. Use your imagination. You could even maybe, if you have some rags, cut the rags up and put little pieces of that there. See how things are hanging out? And here's some ribbon. I wonder if they'll like ribbon or if it'll be too shiny. Or maybe shiny is good for a bird. I'll make a longer one too. You can make longer ones and shorter ones. And poke it through. There. See how it's coming? And maybe some twigs. If you have twigs in your yard, just poke them through and let them hang out. And Here, I'll take some grass from this one. If you have grasses outside, long weeds, things like that, that might be good. There you go. Well, this is the beginning. You could cover as much of it as you feel like, and then hang it up from a tree somewhere, or any place where you think a bird might see it if you don't happen to have a tree in your yard. You'll find some other place, a bush or a chair. Or again, use your imagination. It's an experiment. Try different places as well and see if birds like some places more than others, as well as some materials more than others. There you go. And if you do this experiment, maybe you want to take a picture of it and send it to us so we can compare our experiments and see how they work out. There you go. So that'll be nice. Help a bird today and have fun doing it. Bye for now.